everyone, and welcome to EcoHack 2021. My name is Jasleen, and I'm here to tell you about my plan for construction and demolition waste that could help divert it away from Saskatoon landfills. The cycle of construction, renovation, and demolition generates enormous amounts of waste that is clean and easy to sort at each stage, and therefore it holds a huge potential for reduction, reuse, and recycling. In the City of Saskatoon, experts estimate that materials generated from the construction, demolition, and renovation of buildings makes up about one-third of the total waste generated in the city. In 2019 alone, approximately 17,000 tons of materials buried in the city landfills were from construction and demolition. The most astonishing part of this is that majority of this waste could have been reused and or recycled instead of ending up as garbage. So how can we fix this in the future? First, let's take a look at the current life cycle of construction and demolition in the City of Saskatoon. After receiving the C&D permit, residents and commercial companies can thereafter begin demolition within 60 days and up to 2 years from the permit issuance date. During this period, the permit holders are responsible to dispose of all the resulting waste from C&D, either straight to the landfill facility themselves or by hiring a commercial hauler. Based on my research of the city's current policies and plans for C&D waste, I've developed a two-tier strategy that could help divert it away from landfills. It encourages source reduction and reuse and recycling by influencing user behaviors through policy change. The first step takes place before construction and requires the establishment of a recycling plan in order to obtain a C&D permit. The second method involves introducing a diversion deposit program. This would be incentive-based and will help motivate residents and companies to partake in the plan. In return, they would receive deposit money for their reusable and recyclable items. Let's see how this would play out by using an animation. With the new bylaws and policies in place, customers would first have to submit a recycling plan to obtain a C&D permit. After approval and during the construction or demolition phase, the permit holders would either sort out C&D waste at source or by paying a fee to use a third-party or city-provided sorting facility that will separate clean full materials, mixed materials, reusables, recyclables, and hazardous materials before sending them to the appropriate facilities. Under this method, those who sort their waste privately could bring it directly to the landfill facilities afterwards, and the C&D waste dropped off at a paid sorting facility would be directed to the landfills by that facility. Now let's look at the advantages and disadvantages of both of these strategies. Both methods will change consumer behavior through a combination of policies and incentives that motivate permit holders to sort their waste, thus significantly reducing the amount to be transported and handled by the municipal and private landfills. However, for this to be effective, there will have to be a ban on unsorted C&D waste in landfills and continuous enforcement of those policies and bylaws. More importantly, such actions will require the implementation of the correct facilities in place. But with the new recovery park facility underway and expected to open in 2023, these strategies seem feasible in the near future. In the end, the benefits of diverting waste extend further than just environmental sustainability. They also promote safe and resilient communities by providing clean air, responsible consumption and production, lesser pollution, and economic sustainability through potential job creation. Hence, action is required now more than ever in order to move towards a sustainable future. Thank you.